The women of the dish are back, and we've checked our guilt at the door as we indulge in the comfort food they are serving us. You guys enjoying this?
Yes.
All right, Daphne, take it away. What are you guys making for us?
Yes. All right, Jordan Sparks, she's gonna give me a hand at making my ooey-gooey fall mac and cheese. We are so ready for this, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and reveal my secret ingredient. This is my new way to cut your mac and cheese calories in half. The secret ingredient is white vegetables.
Love it.
Okay. A lot of these are root vegetables that are obviously naturally very sweet. Here's what we have going on. We've got some turnips, we've got some rutabaga, and I kind of like it raw with just some olive oil and salt too.
Does it turn up as much as the turnip?
Oh, turn up for what? Turn up for Vega. No. You know, no.
I couldn't help myself.
So here's what I have going on here. I have a little cauliflower. I have that rutabaga cut up, and I also have some parsnips. And actually, if you'll give me a hand, I have some cut up sage there.
Sage,
just sprinkle that all over
everything. Okay.
I'm a big fan of a sheet pan meal because it's really set it and forget it. You put this in when you get home from work, and it's just gonna roast up and perfume your home. And you have a quick little garlic hack.
I do. Okay, so I love to roast garlic. And the thing is like, we don't want to walk around with garlic fingers, right? And I have my little son, I don't want to put garlic hands in all of his face. But so instead of doing the half and putting it in there and having to squeeze it with all your fingers, you take the garlic cloves, you put them in this little pouch, and then you put it on the pan as well, so it all cooks at once.
I see. So you peeled the garlic first. You throw it in your little pouch there.
Peeled the garlic, and then we're going to just do a little bit of olive oil on the garlic, a little bit of salt.
Amazing.
That's all you need, and then you just make a little pouch and put it inside.
And another nice little thing, actually, because a lot of people will roast the whole bulb.
Yes.
When you do it like this, they're gonna roast at the same time, and then you don't need to go in and squeeze it after that.
And I love garlic, and I'm never giving it up, just FYI. But I really do need to know, I know you have a tip for garlic breath that would help me out, I think.
I do, and I also just noticed your garlic fingernail. These are amazing.
Thank
you.
you.
See these little glimmer? I mean, I love that. It's like wearable jewelry. My tip for getting garlic smell off of your fingers is to rub it along any stainless steel. So your refrigerator, your stainless steel sink, to bore you with the science, the chemical reaction between the metal and the garlic elements neutralizes the odor. So there you go. Okay, this is gonna go into our oven. We're gonna roast it. And that's gonna be.
She's over there rubbing. She's over there rubbing.
Oh, you go rub away.
What about garlic breath? And onion breath.
I've got a whole. Do you have a garlic breath tip? Because I've got
I really like onions. Garlic is my thing, but I really miss onions, and I avoid them unless I'm traveling by myself.
Oh, or you can make everyone around you eat an onion.
That's what
as
I
well.
was gonna say. Just get yourself a boyfriend that likes the onions.
So
also eats them.
Before I blend this for you guys, Before I blend this for you guys. The roasting of the vegetables, like I said, brings out that sugar, takes away some of the wetness so you don't end up with a runny sauce. This is gonna replace a ton of your bechamel. This is where you're cutting calories by having this pureed root vegetable blend. Let me just get us going really fast. Okay. If you need a little liquid, I'm going in here with the liquid that I cooked. I'll say it again when you can hear me.
Can I throw these in there?
Okay, yep.
Let's get that garlic. Look how beautiful you guys.
Yeah, get that garlic in.
See? That's like butter. Butter.
This spread on toast with a little olive oil.
Yes, all of that.
Okay.
We're gonna use all these.
Yeah, throw that garlic in there. This is the cooking liquid. Always save some of your cooking liquid from the pasta. We used elbow macaroni. So here's what we're gonna do. When this is beautiful and pureed, you're gonna put it into your heavy bottomed Dutch oven like so.
Well, it's a labor of love too, because I do this with smoothies. I mean, if you just dump a bunch of liquid in, it turns really, really watery, and then that loses the consistency. So my recommendation is go slow. Yeah. Just add enough just so it starts folding over, and then the texture will be more what you want.
And relax and take your time in the kitchen. This is supposed to be fun. There's no stress here. This is good. That was milk. So get this. This can be made vegan so easily by just using chicken broth or veggie broth or anything in place of the milk like I had. And you can even throw some nuts in the blender, and that will give you that fatty consistency of the milk.
Is that what you want from the milk? Is it fat?
Yeah.
Or the liquid?
No, I don't care about the liquid. The liquid you could get from water, frankly. I care about that fattiness.
Oh,
so the way
then I'm putting ghee in because that's all fat.
Oh, that's it.
And delicious.
So I added that milk in. I'm gonna let this cook just a bit. I have some Gruyere and some Parmesan. You can totally add cheddar if you have that. Any cheese will work here. Honestly, this is mac and cheese. It's glory.
I'm gonna start working on your little topping here.
Okay, and you see it's a little bit thick like this, which I actually kind of like. I don't want a really loose and runny mac and cheese. I want it to set up. If you like it a little runnier, add a bit more cheese or a bit more of your broth. I have these elbow noodles, whole wheat. and I cook them 1 to 2 minutes less than the package instructions because that's gonna make sure you keep an al dente noodle in your blend. Yes. So here's what we top this up with. Jordan has some breadcrumbs, a little bit of olive oil, flax seeds, guys. This is one thing you don't have to tell people are in here.
Yeah.
It's gonna add some great healthy fat.
Sprinkle it on.
Sprinkle it all over.
Just top it.
Oh yeah, and this is gonna go back in our oven, 350 for 20 minutes, just so these noodles take in all that luscious creamy sauce. Ooh, guys, look at that.
Whoa.
What you want is sauce bubbling. I agree with you.
So would you recommend that, like, you baked it, right?
Yes.
Would you broil it at all at the end, just to kind of
You can definitely give it a little extra
there's
crunch,
the
a little
green.
dark
There's
golden
your
brown
green.
for sure. My dad has a taste panel over there. What do you guys think? Is it as good
First
as
of
the
all,
original?
I think this is better than the original. The omega-3s from these flax seeds. What a show-off you are. I love it. Chris, you've got a 5-year-old.
Yes.
Are you sold on this, your child being able to eat this?
Yes, definitely. It's like creamy and crunchy at the same time. I could just see him now, like when he bites it, he's gonna do his little happy dance. I'm so excited. Can't wait to try it.
This is a winner. It's a winner.
You guys can find this recipe on droz.com/thedish, and all of our shareable pics are on Instagram at @thedishonoz.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.